Every time you charge your phone or power up your laptop, an invisible dance of ions is happening inside a tiny component. At the heart of it all is the anode, a material that's a power storage vault. But how is this critical component, a battery's very foundation, actually made? It all begins with raw materials. For most lithium-ion batteries, the anode is a mixture of graphite powder and a binder. The graphite is purified and then mixed with a binder to create a slurry. Some of the most advanced batteries also use a small amount of silicon to enhance the anode's capacity, a true marvel of material science. Next, the slurry is coated onto a thin sheet of copper foil. The mixture must be applied with incredible precision to ensure a uniform thickness. This coated foil is then passed through an oven to dry and cure, creating a solid, porous electrode. This porous structure is what allows the lithium ions to flow in and out freely, making the battery rechargeable. After drying, the anode is ready for assembly. It is meticulously layered with a cathode and a separator, then tightly wound into a cylindrical or prismatic jelly roll. This incredibly precise winding process ensures that the anode, cathode, and separator are perfectly aligned, a critical step for the battery's performance and safety. From a simple powder to a highly engineered power storage vault, the creation of a battery's anode is a testament to the unseen assembly of chemistry and precision. If you were fascinated by this process, hit that subscribe button to explore more engineering marvels. And tell us in the comments, what other incredible process do you want to see unraveled next?